Hello Robloxians. Today we will be learning about the 4 different data types that I know of and that are willing to teach, because most of the other data types that are shown, the other two are content and function. It's a different topic. Content, I really do not know what that is, and I don't really have any interest in reading it. But anyways, I will first explain what a string is. To create a string, you must have an opening double quote. This basically indicates that it's the start of the string. Now, anything in between the first double quote and the last double quote is a string. Strings require 2 double quotes in all. So, let's start our string by putting a double quote. Let's type something inside of that. I don't know. And strings can contain anything from alphanumerical, numerical, to even punctuation. It's just basically a sentence. It's a sentence enclosed in 2 sets of double quotes. So let's put our last double quote. This basically tells ROBLOX that it's the end of the string, and anything after it is not a string. So, a string is basically a sentence enclosed in 2 sets of double quotes. Now, next one is a bool. If you have a science, technology, engineering, mathematics class, also known as STEM, then you should know what a boolean is, because I talk about it. A boolean is basically in binary 0 or 1. 0 representing false, 1 representing true. So, when a bool is true, it means something will happen. When a bool is false, it means that nothing will happen, unless stated that if a bool is false, something will happen. But we'll get into the if statements and all that soon, in about two more lessons, But anyways, there's only 2 bools that you need to know, and that is true and false. The next one is a user data. Now, there's hundreds of different user datas. The one that I will be explaining is a vector 3. A vector 3 is used to it's mainly used when you use a part. It is used to set the size or position of a part. So, let's have a live example right here. I already had the part's position referenced. We'll change position to size. So game.workspace.part. So basically, if you do not understand this, this is the game. Everything's the game. That's how I think of it. Actually, that's how I'll explain it. And then workspace, it goes game, then it goes into the workspace. So we've lowered our scale. Now we went to part. So part is a child of workspace. And then size is a property of workspace. It's right here. We will set its size to 8, so double what it is now. So we do vector3.new 888, and then we close it. Now see how it changed? Yeah, that's basically the vector 3 value, which is the user data. Now, nil is basically the state of nothingness. It is nothing, it does nothing. Well, it's the state of nothingness. It has really no value. And some examples of nil are, let's say we want to see if a part's still in the workspace. Now this example is pretty advanced if you are just learning. Ignore this example if, well, you don't have to ignore it, just try to understand it. If you don't understand it, then I guess wait till we explain ifs, then come back to this. So if game.workspace find first child, sorry about that, part does not equal nil, then, and this will basically say if it can find the part, then it'll do something. So nil is the state of nothingness. If something isn't there, it's nothingness. And, well, that leaves us at the end of this lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because we have a lot more coming up. Thank you guys for watching. Salutations.